It is a time for celebration.
Perhaps. If they agree.
They can do nothing else and you know it. And they know it. I shall be able to offer you anything your heart could wish for.
Paid for with how many lives?
Oh, come now, Tracy. Don't be so proud. Your own father's profession is not entirely within the law. Now, if you're very, very nice to me, I could make you my countess.
But I'm already a countess.
Whereas, if you displease me, I can promise you a very different estate.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
There is something on the radio you should hear.
Pilot's name and destination. Over.
Excuse me.
This is Zurich information calling Anna.
And when do you expect the signal accepting your terms?
Any time before midnight tonight.
Thy dawn, O master of the world, thy dawn. For thee the sunlight creeps across the lawn. For thee the ships are drawn down to the waves. For thee the markets throng with myriad slaves. For thee the hammer on the anvil rings. For thee the poet of beguilement sings.